Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see, Gems, what message wants to show through for you today? My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gemini, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Gems, 7 of Cups, 6 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords. What's happening here, Gemini? 6 of Wands and the 2 of Wands. Alright, Gems, somebody is feeling something is over here. But there is hope. There is hope. They want to heal a broken heart here. Or their own broken heart. I don't know. Somebody is very confused. They feel there is still some conflict. There is some conflict. Maybe they left somebody out in the cold, or maybe they're feeling left out in the cold. There's a deep feeling of having lost somebody who they had envisioned a happily ever after with. So right now the central card is the 10 of Swords. This person actually wants to heal this now. Normally when you see a card like this, you feel like this is devastation. But from where I'm feeling, this person is wanting now to remove these swords. They want to do something to get over all this stress and tension. And that's keeping them up at night, wondering how to have victory now. They want to make a choice. They've made their choice, or they want to tell their partner that they've made a choice or something like that. Let's see, Gemini, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you. Let's see if you and your person could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process. Okay? So Gemini and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person. And Gems, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person. Thank you. Alright, Gems, let's take a few from here as well. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Thank you. And a couple more from here, and then we begin your reading. Gemini and their person. Alright. Okay, Gemini, let's see. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. I told you there is something that has been done which somebody wants to heal now. Some damage has been done to a connection. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning, inside and out. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for the way I treated you. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. Shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize, however, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. Alright, gems, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. Blessing, guidance. There is love here. There is a lot of love here, and I'm sure, if handled right, this relationship can find peace once again. This love is there. It's 100% there. All you need is to find that peaceful place between the two of you. I don't know what's happened. I'm going to figure it out right now. Let's see. 7 of Cups. Did somebody have a lot of options? Were they trying to keep their options open, Spirit? And that's the reason things became a bit conflicted here. Maybe they left their partner out in the cold. Yes, this was a tower moment. Somebody went through a tower moment where maybe they figured that one person had some options, there was a conflict, and somebody decided to hold back and guard themselves. 6 of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. 6 of Swords in reverse. What was the conflict about? Somebody wanted to see if the grass was going to be greener on the other side, or maybe they lied to their partner and their partner decided, hey, I'm going to turn my back on you. This is not happening with me. If you want to keep your options open, I'm going to maybe see what else is out there. I'm going to guard myself. So that could have been an issue here. So what's this 5 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody was being a little greedy, I feel. I think one person was being a little greedy. Yes, this is the person who is attractive, who likes a lot of attention. They don't, they only think about themselves, what suits them. This is like, I like my things my way, and as long as I'm happy, that's really what matters. So this person was in a bit of their greedy and selfish energy, I feel. Even though they were dynamic, I would say, very well put together, maybe were a businessman or something, but still thinking more about what they wanted instead of thinking of what their person wanted, and they probably made their person feel like this, feeling totally left out or made to feel not important in their life, or always kept waiting or something like that. So yes, they maybe lost their chance for a happily ever after here. 10 of Cups in reverse. What's this 10 of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Yes, you see, player ways, inconsistent behavior, coming in whenever they wanted, leaving whenever they wanted, coming in for passion and for their own fun, and never really paying attention to the feelings of their partner. Maybe just trying to keep their options open. And this resulted in them losing a happily ever after. So gems, this could be you, this could be your person, I don't know. I'm not pointing any fingers. If this is your storyline, you'll know exactly who you are in this dynamic. So now this person is feeling quite devastated. 10 of Swords. Yes, they actually want to heal things. That was my first instinct, right? This person does want to heal things. They know who their wish fulfillment is. Now they want to show up properly, like a King of Pentacles. Somebody who's going to be mature, who's going to then now take charge and to be the responsible one and, be that perfect spouse. They want to somehow do something to remove all these swords which were probably pierced in their partner's back some time back, and that's when they kind of got into conflict with them. I think this person now wants to end this overthinking, the stress and tension. They don't want to overthink the situation anymore. They don't want their person to be up in their head all the time. worrying about this. Yes, this person wants to have victory once again. They do want to. This, I don't see this card as a ego and pride card here. Normally this represents that as well, that somebody being in their ego, some pride. No, I don't see that here, not in this spread. I do see them as wanting to find victory in their life once again, but they're a bit stressed out as to how to get that victory now. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords. Yes, they want to be seen. They want to be seen as the Emperor now. They want their person to respect them as one would to, a new person who you respect, and they want to, the damage they've already done to their own reputation, they want that put in the past. They want to end that last chapter, close it down and start afresh. This time round, they want to now appear in a healthy way as a person who's going to do the right thing, to be the person who can be respected. But they're a bit stressed out here. Why is that, Spirit? They don't know how to take action now. Ace of Wands in reverse. Because things have really stagnated between the two of you. And yes, I was expecting this card, definitely. They expect that person now to have strong boundaries. They suspect that the person will not be that easy in forgiving them now. Maybe they have their sword up now to say, hey, come. You want to come back into my life? This is what you did last time. And now you're telling me you want to be an emperor in my life. So they're having sleepless nights about, if I just go with passion, it's not going to be allowed. Maybe that's how they got in last time, right? And many times before that. But they're kind of feeling that these tactics are not going to work, especially since so much of stagnancy has already taken place. But they still want victory. Six of Wands. What's that, Spirit? Six of Wands for Gemini or the person. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. They feel very foolish for tricking their partner, that's for sure. They feel they made a big mistake, they tricked their partner. I think now they may be also kind of holding back a little bit. Their pride has come in, but they want to get out of it. They have retreated, they are thinking, they're wondering how to get unstuck now from a situation they find themselves in. They seem to be praying and retreated and taking time out to think about how they can win their partner back. They are no longer now in this, not making a choice and having more than one option. No, this person has decided. They know what their choice is. So what's this Two of Wands, Spirit, in reverse? Two of Wands in reverse. This person wants to go back. This person wants to go back to the person who they have very sweet memories with. Their best friend, their soulmate as they see them. This is the person who they envision to be their spouse. This is the person they want to settle down with. And now to meet a Queen of Pentacles, they have to come as an emperor so that they can still, gain some respect from them. So they want actually this Queen of Pentacles to forget about the past so that, they can now bring forth this new proposal. But they seem to be having a bit of anxiety, stress, sleepless nights, because now they feel it won't be that easy to gain access back into this Queen's heart. They want to remove all these swords that they had maybe at one time pierced into this Queen's heart by ignoring them, making them feel like an option, or just keeping them, waiting or something. Spirit, can I have a card for Three of Swords in reverse, please? Three of Swords in reverse. Why is that an overall energy? And Gems, if this reading has been resonating, of course you're still here, right? Do leave a thumbs up. It really helps me know, it makes me feel good to know how many people I'm kind of connecting to. That'll be very kind of you. Thank you. And newbies, of course, if you are resonating, I would love for you to subscribe and join the channel as well. So Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. What's this Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Yes, this person is so stressed out. I'm actually feeling sorry for them. Gemini, you and Libra as well. They're going through almost a similar situation, but yes, they are very stressed out. They want to fight for this connection one more time, but they're very afraid. They're very afraid. They know that their partner probably has some boundaries set up now. They desperately want them and their partner to stop looking back now. If you can, we can just stop looking back at what was disrupted, the 3 cups that fell to the floor. Maybe there was more than one person or 2 people in this mix. Just saying, please stop looking back. Let's get ourselves out of this backward, glance and start looking ahead. Can we please remove all this pain, right? It's not worth losing this big love that we have for each other. That's what they are feeling now. I mean, if you are not this person and you're the other queen, please don't, you don't have to take them back if you don't want to. It's totally free will. Don't be upset with this reading. This is just how your person is feeling at the moment. Okay? So that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then. I'll meet you next Tuesday. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.